Resetting the computer. Got 12, 21, 34. MAF sensor, no spark, and knock sensor. Now it's good to go. That's how it sounds. Now I've checked code 21 according to this. Oh, it's kind of windy. Check power supply, check everything, check everything, check everything. Everything checks out fine. All the way to the wires in the back of the computer. My MAV sensor's plugged in. My MAV sensor wasn't throwing a code before. I was very dizzy over here. This is everything. I understand some vacuums aren't not on, but I don't think that will stop it from starting or throwing codes. And I have these 3 wires here that I have no idea what they go to. It's one solid, one green with blue line, light green with a black line, and yellow with a white line. They come from here, and they were just there. All my fuses and all my relay check out fine. This was previously automatic, but it's converted to 5-speed everything. Please, any help? I have no idea what else to do next. Thanks.